Welcome back, my creative friends. Today I'm going to take you on a magical journey, a journey where all things get new life, where forgotten objects shine again, and where every little scrap tell a beautiful story. Yes, today we are diving into recycling all things into magical home decoration, but not just craft. We are weaving a heart-touching story, a story about memories, hope, and the beautiful hidden inside the ordinary. There was a little girl named Lena, who lived in a small cozy house with her grandmother. The house was old, full of cracking floors, dusty corners, and broken, forgotten items. One cold winter evening, electricity went out and the house fell silent. Lena felt scared, but her grandmother lit a small candle and whispered, "Everything old has a story, and everything broken can shine again if you give it love." That night, Lena discovered treasure in the darkness, a rusty tin can, an old glass jar, broken basket, dried twigs lying in a corner, plastic bottles. As Lena decorated the jar, she heard her grandmother says lights make everything beautiful, even our past. Inspired Lena searched the house again. Under the bed, she found old spoons in the storeroom, broken photo frames in the backyard, fallen pine cones and twigs. She did not know it yet, but all these forgotten pieces were about to turn into magic. With those old plastic spoons, Lena created something completely unexpected. Cut spoon heads, paint them gold or white, arrange them like petals around cardboards, and you have a stunning recycling flowered wall decor. When her grandmother saw the spoon flower, she smiled gently and said, "This house may be old, but your imagination will make it alive again." Lena hugged her grandmother and made a promise she would decorate the entire house using nothing but old forgotten things. By morning, she whole old house felt different. The jar lantern glowed softly, the spoon flowers sparkled, the twigs hanging danced in the breeze. Her grandmother walked around slowly, touched every creation, and tears filled her eyes, not because the house looked new, but because Lena had brought life back into everything. Let's turn old clothes into beautiful. Take my worn out shirt or piece of fabric, cut it into strips, wrap it around a bowl, cardboard mold, and slowly weave, in, weave it into a beautiful handmade basket, perfect for storing, making keys, candles, or teeny memories. And that day, Lena learned something precious. Magic does not come from money, it comes from creativity and love. So, next time you see something old, broken, or useless, remember Lena's stories because you too can turn the ordinary into something extraordinary. We hope you like the video and enjoy the story. If you like, so please must subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon for more amazing videos and updates. If you like, so must spread this story for upcoming Christmas event. Everyone want her home look beautiful, cozy, warm. So you can easily apply all these projects, ideas. Have a wonderful and amazing Christmas ahead. Enjoy with your family, your friends, your kids. Remember me in your prayers. God bless you.